Hello, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Today, we take you to the lands of Fert Recyclage. To see how $100,000 vintage motorcycles get restored. Gear up, bike enthusiast. This is a must-watch. Oliver Fert founded the group in 1983.
Je m'appelle Colin Schneider, je suis responsable du centre de valorisation moto du groupe Fert Recyclage. Dans le groupe, nous valorisons en moyenne 30 000 véhicules par an, dont 1400 motos.
Presently, Fert Recyclage handles 30,000 vehicles annually, with 1,400 motorcycles as part of its complete cycle of repurposing. Fert Recyclage is also known for dismantling big motorcycle brands like Harley-Davidson, Triumph, BMW, and more. The process begins at the warehouse, where the chrome heart is photographed for easy identification of the parts as they undergo the dismantling process. Photography is crucial for documenting motorcycles pre-restoration. This visual record helps greatly during restoration as it enables the restorer to know where a given motorcycle is and its original condition.
Chez Fert Recyclage, les outils spécifiques sont avant tout l'expertise et l'expérience de nos démonteurs. Nous sommes capables de démonter n'importe quel modèle, de n'importe quelle marque.
The preparation phase involves the correct procedures of looking at minute details like bolts loosening, followed by lifting panels. This step-by-step method guarantees that nothing is left out or missed. Such a recycling operations industry requires the use of a systematic dismantling process to increase productivity and eliminate potential hazards in the workplace. After dismantling, the motorcycles are then stored. Professionals begin with dust and dirt removal from them. This improves the looks of the vehicles and is a foundation for original car restoration. At Fert Recyclage, documentation of records is essential. Every minor item is recorded, and if needed, it is weighed so nothing is missed.
La mise au dépôt de stockage, nous avons 80 000 pièces en stock.
Such a systematic approach not only benefits the restoration process, but also ensures that each part is original and authentic. One must definitely visit the Vintage Motorcycle Museum for its magnificent display of motorcycles from different eras and manufacturers, which gives a better insight into motorsport history. The next segment includes a combination of technology with a motorcycle connected to wooden carts to redefine public transportation in Colombia. Riding on and abandoned rails efficiently, motor rollers, as they call them, have gained popularity in the regions for their versatility and employability for the local populace.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Fert Recyclage. Soy transportador de turistas. Somos una cooperativa asociada, es decir, al transporte de turistas a la Reserva Forestal de Río Escaderete y San Cipriano. Obviamente en el pasar del tiempo, cuando ya es decir el tren de pasajeros ya no empezaba a transportar, pues obviamente ya la comunidad empezó es decir a inventarse un medio de transporte porque pues no hay una carretera.
Motor rollers are small mobile carts powered by motorcycles that are perfect for movement in confined spaces. They are also common among tourists due to their fun riding experience with nature. Firstly, the bike is securely placed onto the roller carts with seats. Safety is of great importance here while aligning the vehicle with the tracks. The operator then fastens the bike and aligns the wheels to the track so that its movement powers the roller cart. The wheels under the cart are lubricated frequently, which helps reduce friction and allows smooth rotation coinciding with the motorcycle wheels.
En total ya transportábamos 4 y dos personas con la vara, jalándose con la vara. Obviamente en algunos casos pues iba una sola persona, en otros casos iban 2 personas. Y así empezamos, es decir, ya a ir mejorando el medio de transporte, es decir, de estas comunidades. Ya después, cuando ya empezó a aumentar ya el turismo, pues se empezó ya a modificar ya la brujita.
These motor rollers are also commonly used for local transportation and prove convenient for moving goods and commodities. Utilizing the existing infrastructure provides a smart and productive solution with the least expenditure and human effort. Now, let's move from passenger transport on land to water bodies in Thailand to discover an interesting combination: a massive V8 truck engine and a small boat. The massive V8 diesel truck engine provides great power, high torque as well as better fuel efficiency for high-speed performance in vehicles. And now, this boat.
ตั้งแต่เครื่อง4สูบขึ้นเปลี่ยนเป็น6สูบแล้วก็ปัจจุบันนี้ก็วิ่งเรือโดยสารก็ขับ V8 ตอนนี้ครับผมครับเป็นเครื่องหัวลากญี่ปุ่นครับเครื่องเทรลเลอร์ครับ22 ล้อ
Various other propulsion systems, such as outboard motors, inboard motors, or jet propellers are also available. These systems simply begin with engine startup and require controls for forward or reverse acceleration.
คือมาจากโรงงานมันเป็นตัวเครื่องดิบๆมาประกอบกับช่างในเมืองไทยที่ภูเก็ตนะครับมาวางแท่นแล้วก็ติดตั้งศูนย์ต่อพอลใบพัดอะไรมาประกอบเครื่องจนมาเป็นเรือหางยาวส่วนมากเขาจะเอามาวางท้องเครื่องใหญ่
The power of the engine and the design of the hull have a direct effect on the handling and stability of the boat. while some other indirect factors could be extreme weather conditions and currents. Starting the engine requires adding diesel, after which the operator checks the levels of the diesel to avoid overflow. Then, at the start of a button below, the engine roars and the boat takes off into the waters. Directing the boat requires the operator to be near the engine and vigilant, as it involves manually moving the engine frame in the opposite direction of the intended turn. During the boat ride, the engine propels the boat forward, and the operator steers to navigate through the water. Before slowing down the boat, rubber tires are tied sideways to protect the hull from damage by the pier or other boats. Once the engines are switched off, the boat sways towards the pier, and the crew ropes the boat closer so passengers can get off.
เพราะว่าเรือนี้มันถึงกำหนดขึ้นซ่อมมันก็ต้องขึ้นครับเพราะว่า7เดือนหรือ1ปีมันต้องขึ้นทาสีกันเพียงขูดหอยออกมิฉะนั้นเพียงมันจะกินไม้ท้องเรือมันวิ่งก็วิ่งช้าน้ำมันก็กินเยอะครับผม
Often, the boat fetches the crew extra income by carrying and transporting goods during the journey, making their operation more profitable. It's a very exciting feeling to drive a boat with a V8 engine. Not only does it provide a fast and thrilling ride, but it also turns out to be cost and time effective for the crew and the passengers.
เดินแบบไม่เร่งรีบมันก็เดินทางประมาณ50นาทีหรือบางลำ1ชั่วโมงแล้วแต่อัตราบรรทุกน้ำหนักของเรือครับผม
Overall, it's a memorable adventure to embark on while enjoying the amazing beauty around Thailand. That's the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.